How to post an article on LinkedIn. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can post an article on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a site or an application where you can look for jobs, you can post job, and more importantly, you can even write things that you find in your mind or things that you'd like to share with your audience. And so if you want to post an article, the first thing to do is to log in into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to your own page, on your own page, all right, apart from this notification to update profile, um, you would see your profile picture, you would see start a post. Then below it, you see media. That is if you want to post a picture, whatever, or video. And then you see events. That is if you want to host an event. And then you see write an article. All right. So just go ahead and click on write an article. And then you brought to the page where you would see say hello to a smoother editing, etc. Click on get started. And then you can decide to upload an image here to portray what you're trying to say, and you can see the title. This is if when you want to start typing, and then you can just go ahead and start typing in here. And then if you want to tag someone, just use the at, and then also use at the different options of people that you want to type that you want to tag will be displayed depending on the people that you are following or people that you've getting familiar to on your account. All right, and then you can just go ahead, type out your article, tag the people you want to tag, and then click on post, and then your article will be posted automatically. Yes, it is that simple, very simple and direct. You can also add links to your article if you want, using these features at the top part of the screen. So this is how you can post an article on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.